All, welcome to the Mystical Sciences. As we are doing meditation series, today we will do meditation with the help of crystals actually. So there are 7 chakras which we have. So this 7 chakras has different crystals. There are different crystals which we have based on the color and all. Today I'll just tell you one such crystal actually which is related to that chakra. So this is the crown chakra. For crown chakra it is a clear quartz crystal which is there for the crown chakra. Agneya chakra it is the amethyst. Throat chakra, it is sodalite crystal. The Anahata chakra, the heart chakra, rose quartz, and then the solar plexus chakra relates to the citron stone. The Hara chakra, the Swadhisthana chakra is the carnelian stone, and the Mooladhara chakra is the hematite. So these are the 7 stones. Apart from this, there are various other stones also, which are related to the 7 chakras. How do we practice with the crystals actually? Normally, when you get the crystals, purchase the crystals, those crystals need to be placed in a rock salt overnight. Okay, next day you need to clean with a running water. Okay, after cleaning the crystals with the running water, give some incense. Okay, and then after that start doing meditation. How you will be doing the meditation? You can just play a soft music, and then you can place the crystal in your hands, in your palm actually. So individually, because as I told you in the earlier classes, whichever chakra is imbalanced, those particular chakras crystals, if you are buying it, then it will be benefited. If you want 7, you can also buy 7. So now, how do we do crystal healing? It's very simple as you do other healings. So this also, take the crystal, you can just place the crystal in your left palm and close with your right palm. Body straight, inhale deeply. Good when you are playing soft music and when you are doing this meditation, it will be very good actually. So you can just play soft music, just close your eyes, body straight, Now once your Agneya chakra is healed, slowly bring your concentration on the Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra. Now slowly change the crystal. Now solidate the beautiful crystal healing your Vishuddhi chakra, the throat chakra. Any imbalances in the Vishuddhi chakra will be healed by the beautiful crystal. Observe the vibrations which you are receiving from the palms, the shoulders, your throat chakra, removing all the imbalances which are there in the throat chakra. You are receiving the positive energies from the crystal. Observe the vibrations. Now slowly bring your concentration on the heart chakra. Now slowly change the crystal, the rose quartz, the vibrations from the crystal you are receiving from the palms, your heart. Any imbalances in the heart will get balanced, will get healed. You are receiving the positive energies from the crystal and healing your heart chakra. Now once your heart chakra is healed, slowly bring your concentration on the solar plexus chakra. Now slowly change the crystal to the solar plexus chakra, citrine, every part of solar plexus chakra is getting healed with a beautiful crystal. Citrine healing every imbalance which is there in your solar plexus chakra. Any imbalance in the solar plexus chakra is getting healed by the beautiful crystal. Removing all the imbalances from the solar plexus chakra, receiving energies from the palms to the solar plexus chakra, balancing Now as you have healed your Muladhara chakra, slowly, once focus on all the chakras from the Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Manipura chakra, the Anahata chakra, the Vishuddhi chakra, the Agneya chakra and the Sahasrara chakra. Every chakra is being healed. Every chakra is balanced. The beautiful crystals have balanced all the chakras. Now as you have balanced all the chakras, slowly rub your palms, rub your knees, again rub your palms, cup your eyes, open your eyes and cups, relax. So this is the way you can practice healing your chakras with the help of crystals. Crystal healing will give you a lot of benefits. Crystals have a lot of energy in them. Okay, so hope you liked it. Please practice. Thank you.